I've been learning how to roll. John's taught me this is the third lesson now.
How are you getting on, Lee?
Yeah, very well. Practicing rolling on the other side. Luckily you can give some good advice to get him to do it properly. Spot my mistakes, which is excellent. But give it another go. Third session, and John's managed to teach me to roll on the other side now. Just as well, he's managed to get the right information at the right time for me, and feel having a successful session.